Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for image search. Specifically, we'll be looking for the latest images of the McLaren W1, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. So here we are on ChatGPT. This tool not only helps you find information quickly, but can also be used for searching images. Let me show you how to find some cool car pictures. I'll type latest images of McLaren W1 and press enter. ChatGPT will provide me with information and help me find the most relevant images of the car. Now, ChatGPT can give you an overview of the car, including information about the McLaren W1 and suggest links where you can find the latest images. You can click these links to explore the pictures on the web. This is a super easy way to look for images of your favorite car or any other object without having to navigate through multiple websites. ChatGPT simplifies the process by providing the most relevant links to get you started. And that's it. Using ChatGPT for image search is really convenient when you need the latest pictures or information about something. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.